Are you a student struggling to make ends meet? Or do you want to earn some extra pocket money without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, today's video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 best online jobs for students to earn money. So, get ready to take some notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the best online jobs for students to earn money. As a student myself, I know how challenging it can be to balance work and studies. That's why I have compiled a list of 6 online jobs that are perfect for students and will help you make some extra cash. So, without further ado, let's get started. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. Online tutoring. As a student, you can become an online tutor and teach subjects that you excel in. You can choose your own schedule and earn money by teaching students from all around the world. Freelance writing. If you have a flair for writing, you can become a freelance writer and work for clients who need content for their blogs, websites, or social media platforms. Virtual assistant. You can work as a virtual assistant and provide administrative and technical support to clients. This job requires good communication skills, organization skills, and attention to detail. Social media manager. As a student, you can become a social media manager and manage social media accounts for small businesses or entrepreneurs. This job requires creativity, marketing skills, and knowledge of social media platforms. Online surveys. You can take online surveys and get paid for your opinions. Many survey websites offer cash or gift cards in exchange for your participation. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. This job requires some marketing skills and knowledge of digital marketing. So, those were the 6 best online jobs for students to earn money. Remember, these jobs are flexible, and you can choose your own schedule, which means you can balance your work and studies. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.